Hello everyone and welcome to you and to 24. I wish you the best. Today we will make this cool animation. You can make it in EV or in cycles. It's easy to do and it's step by step. So let's get started. First select the light X, delete. Now the cube, extrude it in the x-axis. Now add a text, RX19. I disable the cube to see the text. Go in edit mode and hit your text. Go back to object mode. Here, properties of the text. I leave this font. If you want another font, you can go here and choose the font that you want. Go to geometry, extrude it, maybe to like this. Here, you give it 0.02 and the resolution give it 2. Now I enable the cube, I scale it a little, just like this. Now select the text, go in object, convert to mesh and go in modifier, add modifier. Here in physics, select collision. And enable this. Now the cube, edit mode, right click, subdivision. You see here a windows, give it 13. Go back object mode. Now in modifier, add modifier, displace. Don't worry if you see that. Decrease this to 0 and this to 0.005. Shadow smooth. Now add another modifier. We go in physics, particle system, hit new, decrease this to 100, here 0 and here 0. Lifetime, I give it 22. In physics, here, no. And and here no. In viewport display, rendering to point, and this decrease this to 0.01. Now you see a little point here. Here in field wedge, in the gravity decrease to 0. Now we go here in modifier, add modifier. Now we want to break this cube, so in physics, explode, enable cut edges. Now add modifier, cloud, open here. Here in speed multiplier 0.1, because we want to break in the shape, in the collisions, self collision, and the quantity here I give it 5. Here in property wedges, gravity decrease to 0. In the cache, here in the cache, we select bake, and now we will wait in under the finish. So I speed this sequence, maybe not, it's not slowly, as I see. You must let him to finish. Now it finished. If we hit play, now you see we have our animation. So you see it's easy to make. Now we choose an angle and scale. I scale the text under the cube. Just like that. Now if you play, we have our animation. Hello 2024. Now when you see the plus up, and here go to shader editor. And first I add a plane RX19 S to scale, G, Y, just like this. Now, first, we're going to add camera. Hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Now, we scale the plane a little and we choose or angle. Go in the word color, here 120, here I decrease to 0.2. Now in Eevee I active this. In color management, high contrast. Now if we switch in the render image, we have this. Now I select the cube, it's blue and metallic. The roughness I decrease it to 0.1. The plane metallic, but I change the color to maybe dark blue, blue like that. A text, you can choose any color you want. Here I change the color to maybe red. Now if you play or animation, now we have this. It's easy, simple to make. For the animation, we are going here, we choose the resolution that you want. You choose here the folder where you want your animation to be in your computer, and here change to FFmpeg video. In encoding, MPEG 4. Here you make high quality. I hope that you enjoy to make this tutorial with me. I tell you Happy New Year and see you in the next one.